Hi, what's good? In today's video, I'm going to take you through step by step on how to create expert advertising animation in After Effects, just like this one. Let me show you the sample, how to create something like this. Can you see? Something just like this. Let's watch to the end so that you can see what I'm about to, reveal to you. So you can see, so that's what we are going to be doing today in After Effects. So without further ado, let me show you how to do that. Go over to your After Effects. Let's create a new okay. So right now what we are going to do right now is to bring in these two what's it called, these two objects right here. Drag these two jot down right here and hit on your scale, each scale, or if you want to go, just go manually. You click right here, you go over to choose scale, or better still, select the two, then hit S on your keyboard. Automatically it brings out scale dashboard. Then you drag down just like so to reduce it. So let's make it 7. It's okay, good. Let's make it 6, good. So right now we are going to animate this. So we are going to animate these two right now. So we are going to be using what we are going to do right now is to add a keyframe right here. No, we are not using this. Let's go over to position, then you add a keyframe to both of this image. So right now you pull this keyframe right here, pull it down a bit to this side, then you try and drag this drag it up just like so. So automatically if you preview, you can see the outcome. So right now what you are going to do next is to select the keyframes. So right click to easy ease them, go over to easy ease them just like so. Then you hit on your graph editor to edit that. So select the two line, then you pull this just like so, just to make it real. You can see the outcome right now. So let's just click on graph editor to disappear that, then you go over, let's preview it. Boom, can you see that? So our next step right now is to just go over to split the two. It's a kind of animated stuff. So right now what we're going to be doing is to just add a keyframe right there, then you pull this forward just like so. So we are going to split it individually. Select just one. Let's select this, then let's drag just like so. Then you select the other one, drag just like so. Automatically that pops up. So can you see right now? Good. So what next right now is to go over to this place. We are going to collide it together again. Had a keyframe right there. Select both of them, add a keyframe, then you move that forward a bit, so collide the two back to their position again, just like so. Then you bring this in again. Can you see the outcome? So good. Let's review that. Can you see that? Boom. So split over just like so, then it closes back up. I think this is a bit slow. What we are going to do right now, let's move this, what's it called, this frame closer to each other. Can you see that? Then closes back up. So right now, next step right now is to just select the two frame, the two objects, then you add a keyframe right there as well, then you just move it up, automatically it disappears. Can you see that? So right now our test will now come in right now. So let's type we are, make that bold, then you center it within the page. So right now go over to this band behind, then you make sure this get to the center of the test. Can you see that? So let's go over to info. We are going to be centering it within the page, then horizontally. Can you see that? So right now what we are doing right now is to just go over to this arrow right here, click that, then you go over to our position. We are animating this way, so you go over again, less opacity. So good. So what we are going to be doing right now is to just move this up a bit, then set the opacity to 0, then you go over to range, then add a keyframe right there, then you move this bar right here a bit forward, then you make it 100%. Can you see that? Bam. Can you see the outcome? Bam. Good. So right now we are going to be selecting, let's select the two keyframe, then you go over, right click on the two keyframe, go to frame assistant, then you ease them, then you click on graph editor to adjust that. So what you are going to be doing right now is to just select the two keyframe, then you slide this grab bar just like so, then you click on keyframe to disappear that, then we go over to preview what we've done so far. So hit on preview and see what we have done so far. Good. Can you see that? Then it closes back up, then it disappears. So right now text comes in, boom. Can you see that? So that's the outcome of that. So what we are going to be doing next right now is to bring this back up just like so, and you see that. So our next step right now is to make a copy of that text which we've typed, then hit on Ctrl D to make a copy, then you slide that so just like that. So as this right now, hit on your text tool to select that, then change that to we are. So can you see that? So from here, we, then her. So then you make a copy of that, Ctrl D. Then you go back again to select your what they call horizontal type, to select that, you type into, so reduce that a bit, then you can you see that we are into, then you make a copy of that again, Ctrl D on your keyboard, then you move that just like so. So move your bar to the top of that, then you select your horizontal text tool, then you highlight and you type graphics industry. So as this right now, we are going to reduce that so that it will fit in just like so. Then you drag to the center of the page. So right now center it within the page, go over to info, then hit on alignment center, then within the page. Can you see we are into graphics industry? So let's go over to preview what we've done so far. So go over to preview, play what we've done so far. Can you see that? Then snapping again, then it disappears, then your tabs pops in just like so. We are into graphics industry. So here we come to the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button in case I have something coming up that is good that you can learn from, and do well to hit the like button, so that other people can benefit. You liking the video give me access to do more and to be heard in the industry. Thanks for following me. Bye for now.